Household loans extended by 5 major lenders in the country have risen more than 2.1 trillion won so far this month, according to industry data.
국내 5대 은행의 이달 가계대출 잔액이 지금까지 2조 1천억 원 이상 증가한 것으로 나타났습니다. Does that mean more people are buying homes and needing money?
They are borrowing more money.
Right.
If you look at the numbers precisely according to the data, this coming from Yonhap News Agency, compared to June 13th, so the middle of this month, it stood at 705.4 trillion won compared with 703.2 trillion at the end of last month. So we're talking within about a 2-week span, the outstanding amount of household loans rose by 2.1 trillion won. And to put that kind of into perspective, the past couple of months we've seen a similar rise. So basically what it means is there's a lot of transactions happening in terms of lending.
거래를 영어로는 transaction이라고 합니다. There are loads of transactions happening. And when we talk about loans and you say something is outstanding,
Yes.
that means that it hasn't been paid
It's
yet.
unpaid, right?
Yeah.
If you have an outstanding credit card balance, that means you have that much to pay to
Yeah.
your credit card company.
So having an outstanding credit card balance is not an outstanding thing to have.
It doesn't mean it's excellent because it also has that meaning, right?
Yeah,
Outstanding.
exactly. So it can be a bit confusing. Outstanding을 우리가 학생들한테 얘기할 때는 최고다.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Fantastic.
맞아요. Outstanding 그런 의미로 많이 쓰지만 경제에서 outstanding은 지불이 되지 않았다 이런 뜻입니다. 그래서 아직 갚지 않은 그런 이제 대출금이 상당하다. 근데 이제 전반적인 이제 대출 잔액을 이렇게 표현을 하고 있습니다.
Yeah. So we're talking household loans, all in total. Much of it is because of housing loans. So basically, there's a rise in housing transactions, meaning that possibly more people are, the real estate market is flourishing.
Yeah,
There's more
exactly.
activity, as you can say, because it's been sort of in the doldrums recently, right?
Definitely.
The real estate market.
그러네요. 그래서 그냥 거래가 아니라 이 부동산 거래가 좀 활발해지고 있다라는 것을 또 우리가 같이 유추할 수 있습니다. 자, 첫 번째 표현을 좀 볼 텐데요. What's a lender?
A lender is an organization, or it could be a person that lends money to someone. And basically, to lend means to let out for temporary use on condition that it will be repaid at a later date.
Right. And in this case, we're talking about banks.
Yes.
Right?
So the banks are the lenders. On the opposite side, the people that get the money are the borrowers, right?
그렇죠. 자, 대출기관, 빌려주는 사람. 그거를 영어로 lender라고 합니다. 이 경우에는 은행을 말하고 있고요. 그다음에 이제 대출을 받는 사람은 borrower. lender, borrower. Can you lend me some money? Can I borrow some money from you?
Right. So
이렇게.
you would lend it to me,
Yeah.
I would borrow it from you.
그렇죠.
Right.
네.
That gets confusing a little sometimes.
네, 그렇습니다. 빌려주는 거가 lending 하는 거고요. 빌리는 거는 borrowing입니다.
Right.
What about the expression so far?
So far. So what so far means is up to this point, until now, up to the present time. So all the way up from the start of history up until this point, which is June 17th, 8:11 a.m.
Right, exactly. So far, so good. 이런 표현도 있는데요.
Right.
지금까지는 아무 문제 없이 무탈하게 잘 하고 있어.
But we don't know what's going to happen in the future.
Exactly.
Yes.
네. 그래서 so far가 지금까지라는 뜻이 있습니다. 자, 다시 한번 헤드라인 읽어볼게요. Household loans extended by 5 major lenders in the country have risen more than 2.1 trillion won so far this month, according to industry data. Here's our next headline.